Hi everyone, good to see you here. Welcome back to the Healthy Asian Cuisine channel. In Portugal, I mainly shop at a particular Chinese grocery store located at the Admiral Reis Avenue in Lisbon. It is a lively street with a lot of beautiful old buildings. In this country, a lot of Chinese cuisine cooking ingredients or vegetables are hard to come by. I'm happy to find Chinese Chives in Chen Chinese grocery store today. Research has linked chives with a range of health benefits for sleep and mood, anti-cancer, and reduce inflammation. To incorporate Chinese chives into your diet, I have created an easy stir-fry for you. This stir-fry Chinese chives is deliciously seasoned with Shao Hsing wine, oyster sauce, soya sauce, and coconut sugar. It is healthy, easy, and fast to make. Let's get started. Let's begin with step number 1, preparing your ingredients. To prepare your ingredients, first, prepare the sauce by combining the vegetarian oyster sauce, soya sauce, Shao Hsing wine or dry sherry, coconut sugar, and a pinch of white pepper in a small bowl. Stir to mix everything, then set it aside. Next, wash and dry the Chinese chives with a kitchen towel, then cut the chives into 1-inch long pieces and set them aside. For the rest of the vegetables, slice the king oyster mushrooms into bias. Note, we are not using the mushroom caps. You can reserve the caps for other dishes. Next, cut a carrot in half. Take the bigger half and slice about 2 mm lengthways from both sides. Then cut the carrot into 2 mm thick horizontally to create a pattern. Finally, cut the shallot into thin slices and the ginger into matchstick pieces and set everything aside. The final step is stir-frying the dish. Before you start cooking, line up your entire prepared ingredients in the proper cooking order. Note, we should start cooking harder vegetables that take longer to be cooked. Heat a wok or large skillet over high heat. Once hot, add the oil. Once the oil is slightly smoking, add the ginger and stir fry for 30 seconds. Next, add the sliced shallot and stir fry until they turn golden brown for another 30 seconds or so. Then add carrot slices and continue to stir fry for about 1 minute. After that, throw in the king oyster mushroom slices. Stir fry all the vegetables for a further minute or 2. Finally, add the sauce and continue to stir fry to mix carrots and king oyster mushrooms with the sauce completely for a few seconds, then add the Chinese chives. Stir fry the chives just until tender but crisp and evenly coated with the sauce. Place your cooked dish into a bowl. Garnish with toasted sesame seeds and or spring onion. Then served immediately with rice or noodles. Thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up like button, share, subscribe, and let me know how you get on with this recipe in the comments below. See you in the next video.